Welcome to Prasun Ghosh Excellent Physics channel. I think this is highly helpful for class 12 students, and this is very important not only for class 12 but also for JEE Main, Advanced and different competitive exam. So today's topic, that is modulation index. So today I have learned that is the modulation index. From this concept we have calculated different types of numericals. So come to the topic, that is modulation index. Modulation index in AM means that is amplitude modulation. So maximum and minimum amplitudes of AM waves are, that is Vmax equal to Vc 1 plus Ma. Vc means that is the amplitude of carrier, and Ma that is the modulation index. Similarly, we can write that is V minimum equal to Vc 1 minus Ma. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So dividing 1 by 2 we get that is Vmax by V minimum equal to, we can write that is 1 plus Ma by 1 minus Ma. So applying the addition division theorem, we can get that is Vmax minus V minimum by Vmax plus V minimum equal to, we can write that is Ma. Ma means that is the modulation index, but we can write that is degrees of modulation. So this is the concept of modulation index in amplitude modulations. Some numericals about the modulation index. If the maximum and minimum amplitude of amplitude modulation waves are 10 volt and 5 volt respectively, modulated index, that is we have to calculate. We know that is Ma equal to, that is modulation index, we can write that is Ma equal to Vmax minus V minimum by Vmax plus V minimum. So that is Vmax equal to 10 volt, V minimum equal to 5 volt. Putting the value we can get that is 1 by 3, that is 0.33. So this is option number 3. If further I calculate the percentage of modulation, then we have to multiply Ma with 100%. So we get that is the value, that is 33.3%. That is the peak to peak voltage of AM wave. Peak to peak voltage of AM wave is 2 to 4 volt, and minimum deep to deep voltage, that is 96 volt. Find the modulation index. Ma equal, that is modulation index, Ma equal to Vmax minus V minimum by Vmax plus V minimum. From this problem we have to know that is Vmax equal to 2 to 4 by 2, that is 112 volt. That is 96 by 2, that is 48 volt. So putting the value, that is Vmax and V minimum in this equation, we get that is 4 by 10, that is 0.4, that is 0.4. If I calculate the percent of modulation, then we have to multiply this 100. So we get that is 40%, that is percentage of modulation. In a sinusoidally modulated AM wave, the crest amplitude, that is 60 volt, through amplitude, that is 15 volt. Find the modulation index. We equal to Vmax minus V minimum by Vmax plus V minimum. Vmax, that is 60, V minimum, that is 15 volt, that is 60 volt, and through amplitude, that is 15 volt, that is V minimum. Putting the value Vmax and V minimum in this equation, we get that is 0.6. Hence the modulation index, that is 0.6. I think this class is highly helpful to all of the students. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all my dear students. Please subscribe my channel and share the link to your friends, and